How you doing, guys? Welcome to another episode. In this episode I have a request. Someone asked me for this episode in my Spanish channel. I have my phone Canon in here and they asked me how to replace the filter on the phone Canon. It's very simple to do. I'm going to show you how to open the phone Canon and replace the filter. I'm not going to replace it this time because this phone Canon I rarely use it, so I bet the filter is clean. First thing that you need to do, it has a little pin right here. I have my very small screwdriver. I'm just gonna remove the pin. Okay, once you remove that pin, you can remove the plastic cover. This part of the phone Canon, it has the blade, and inside right here is the filter. It's really tight in there, so I want to try to open it. Now it's really tight. I had to put it on the floor so I can get better leverage. Once I crack this loose, I'm gonna open it all the way. It has a rubber seal in here, and inside is a little filter. With the same screwdriver, I'm gonna put it on the other end and pull the filter out. That's a little filter right there. If you can see, I don't have any residues. These ones tend to get dirty because of minerals on the water. If you don't have filter on your system, or with the same soap or shampoo that you use on your phone Canon, sometimes they get all that stuff inside. But like I said, I barely use this phone Canon, so this filter is clean, as you can see. Once you get your new filter, put it back on, push it all the way in. Once you get it there, you get it tight all the way, the same way it was before. Important part is that the blades, they have to line up with the knob on top. So I'm gonna get it tight a little bit more so it match the knob on top. Okay, it was really tight. So now, if you can see, it's straight with the knob. Once you got that straight up, you gotta put the cover back on. Make sure it sits all the way. Put your pin back on. The pin is all the way in, and we'll have everything working. I'm gonna put the link in the description for the filters and the little nozzle that we replaced. A few episodes ago, I replaced the nozzle for the 1.1 millimeter. So the whole package is gonna have filters, new nozzles, in case that you need to replace them. As you remember, when we replaced these ones, the little nozzle, we have thinner bubbles, so it was thicker foam, and it helps a lot to drag all that dirt out of the paint. And that's how you replace the little filter on your phone Canon. I hope you like this little episode, guys. If you have any questions, please comment down below. I'm gonna be happy to help. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next one.